morning, everyone. My name is Sehreem Samuel, and I am leading from Shaloom Press Center. Today, my topic is Let Go. Let God handle it all. Perhaps you feel burdened with responsibility because you're the one who usually takes charge in the home, business, or family affairs. Begin now to release your burden by accepting that the most effective way to be in charge is to let God handle it. Regardless of the situation, your own personal involvement, or any need for help or healing, God will reveal the answers and show the way. Begin the process of healing now by taking this idea deep into your heart. I am willing to let go and let God handle it all. Relax your entire being as much as you are able and affirm quietly. I acknowledge that there is a presence and power beyond my understanding, reading to work through me as I let go. I know that myself I can do nothing, but with God all things are possible. I am willing to let go and let God handle it all. Yes, my dear friend. God's infinite wisdom is available to you right now. God's guidance and direction are at hand this very moment to lift you out right where you are. There is no old habit of anxiety, no old bondage of feelings of loss or doubt that can stand against God's love for you. As you begin to let go of trying to control challenges, remember that this doesn't mean that you are shirking your part in the process. Rather, it means that you are courageously facing challenges with a new awareness of your partnership with God and God's presence and power within you. It means that you are beginning to accept that you can handle whatever confronts you because of the solid foundation of God's Spirit within you. Remind yourself quietly again and again, I am willing to let go and let God handle it all. If there is some action to take, some word to speak, some truth to know, it will be revealed and accomplished through the guidance of God. You will find that you are not alone, that God's wisdom is supplementing your growth and understanding that God's love is continually at work for your highest good. If doubts persist, respond to each negative thought or feeling with the same quiet affirmation, I am willing to let go and let God help me. God is the source and I am the channel. I am that God can handle everything. Letting go and letting God handle things sometimes means finding new ways of helping yourself to the peace you earnestly desire or the listening to the guidance that comes to you, even as simple nudges or even urgings. If you have ever thought that the only way you can receive help is the way you have always done so, remember to be open to new ways of discovering the good you seek. As a child of God, you are always in a state of unfolding consequences. Therefore, you can be confident that it is all right to change your direction and move forward when you are following guidance from Spirit within. Begin now to let go and let God handle it all. In doing so, you are making room within your heart for the presence and power of Creator to come into expression in your life. God knows you have experienced from the very beginning and longs to help you receive the very best within your mind, body, temple, and life. Trust this wonderful presence of love now. Place yourself in God's care. Give your loved ones to God's gentleness and compassion. Turn your life over to divine wisdom. Take complete confidence. Tell yourself again and again, yes, God, I am willing to let go and I am ready. Let you handle it all. Take a deep breath, and as you release it, know that everything is in God's tender, loving care. You are precious, beloved child of God, here with reassurance. You are always with me, and all that is mine is yours. Let go, dear friend, and let God handle it all. Thank you very much.